Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So first we should just open the notification panel, and here on the top bar you should find the scanner icon. Just click once on this icon here, read the description, tag, click to agree, allow, and now we should place our QR code here inside of this frame. So let's do this. Now our device scan this QR code, and as you can see, the device find this website. This is the Wikipedia link. So we should click here to go to website, click here accept, and after that we can see that our device find this Wikipedia article. So as can you see, that's really simple to do, and also we can do it just not from the notification panel, but you should find here somewhere the scanner application. Always it's here in the tools folder. So just click here, and by the same way just place the QR code here in this frame. Okay, I'll just do it by this way. And now as can you see, the device again found this link, so click to go to website, and as can you see, that's also our this Wikipedia article. So that's it, that's how to scan QR codes with our XIAOMI device help. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.